Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
So we just purchased a single family home, 4.5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. We'd been after an investment opportunity since the beginning of the year, and in the Phoenix market it had been really difficult, right? Like the property prices kept going up and people were offering over asking. And as an investor, it made it really difficult to find the right opportunity to enter the market. And then we got this great opportunity with Scott. He had a great relationship with this development. He'd placed a number of people in it already. And when he came to us and said, hey, we've got a house that hasn't been relisted yet, do you want to jump on it? We were really quick to move. And having that kind of insider in the development really pushed us into this home. What this home means to us, with it being an investment property, we really wanted something that was turnkey, right? We wanted to be a little more hands-off. And so a new build with a realtor who knew the development really well was a great opportunity for us to achieve that.
With this property, it was our first time we've purchased a new build, so we had no idea what to expect. A little anxious about the whole process, but Scott was really great at putting us at ease. And I think the coolest part of the whole experience was receiving the video drone footage from Scott. So we felt like we were part of the construction process from start to finish.
And I even sent a lot of that drone footage back to my friends and family in Australia who, particularly at the moment, we don't get to see each other very much. It was just a really cool way to stay up to date with each other's lives. The hardest thing for us looking for an investment property was finding the right moment to enter the market when it was so hot. And for us, I think Scott having such a strong connection with the Meritage Homes family and within this development really probably was the only reason we were able to grab this property before the market probably would have taken it as soon as it was listed.
Scott's great. I think I've known Scott for almost 10 years. So anytime one of my friends or family is buying a house, I always mention Scott's name. He's become one of our great friends throughout, the process of buying investment homes and even our home that we live in today. And it's just been a great experience for all of those properties. So I can't say enough good things about Scott.
If I was to give one key thing about why I would recommend Scott, I'd say I'm super impressed by how much of a chameleon he is. He put us in our family home, which is a whole process of itself. It's emotional and it's this whole beast. And then we wanted to do a flip and he worked with us so hand in hand in all the little intricacies of designing and where you can add value to a house. And then on this one, it was really about how can he get us into a great price point in a great neighborhood, right? It's been more of a turnkey. He's handled it a lot end to end for us. So I think really it's regardless of what we've needed from Scott, he's been able to guide us through it. That's professionally and personally.
So we're really excited for this next stage in the journey. Scott sold me my first condo in my 20s, and it's crazy to think that the journey led us here and we're closing on this awesome single family home investment property. We're excited. Let's see what happens next.
Bye.
Bye. Wait a second, James. We're not going to live here. We're renting this house.
That's right.